Welcome back to Money Booster, the channel dedicated to helping you achieve your financial goals. Millions of people are dealing with debt, and it can be incredibly stressful. But the good news is, by taking control of your finances, you can work towards becoming debt-free. Here are some proven strategies. The first step to tackling your debt is to get crystal clear about where your money is going. Create a budget that tracks every dollar coming in and every dollar going out. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, start looking for areas where you can cut back. Allocate as much money as possible towards debt repayment. Your budget is your roadmap to debt freedom. Let's talk about the debt snowball method, a popular strategy for paying off debt. Start by listing out all your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. This step is crucial for organizing your repayment plan. Focus on making minimum payments on all your debts, except for the smallest one. This ensures you stay current on all accounts. Put as much extra money as you can towards that smallest debt until it's completely gone. This helps you gain momentum. Then, roll that payment into the next smallest debt. This creates a snowball effect, accelerating your debt repayment. Seeing those debts disappear one by one can be incredibly motivating. It builds confidence and keeps you focused on your financial goals. If you want to save the most money on interest and pay off your debts faster, the debt avalanche method might be the perfect strategy for you. Start by listing out all your debts, but make sure to order them from the highest to the lowest interest rate. Focus on making minimum payments on all your debts, except for the one with the highest interest rate. This is crucial. Put as much extra money as you can towards that high-interest debt until it's completely paid off. By tackling the highest interest rate debts first, you are strategically minimizing the amount of interest you pay overall. This method not only saves you money, but also helps you become debt-free more efficiently. If you're juggling multiple high-interest debts, it can feel overwhelming and stressful. Consolidating them could be a smart move to regain control of your finances. Essentially, you're taking out a new loan to pay off all those existing debts, leaving you with just one manageable monthly payment. Consider a personal loan, a balance transfer credit card, which can offer lower interest rates, or a home equity loan, which uses your home as collateral. Shop around for the best interest rates and terms that fit your financial situation. Consolidating your debt can simplify your finances, reduce your stress, and potentially save you a significant amount of money on interest over time. Boosting your income can help you pay off debt faster. Pick up a side hustle, freelance your skills, or sell things you no longer need. Every extra dollar you earn is another dollar you can put towards your debt. You're creating a debt-crushing machine fueled by your own hard work. Don't be afraid to negotiate with your creditors. Contact your creditors and explain your situation. Ask if they offer any hardship programs, lower interest rates, or more flexible payment options. Remember, creditors want to get their money back, and they'd rather work with you than send your debt to collections. There you have it. 6 proven strategies to help you pay off that debt faster and finally break free from those monthly payments. Stay disciplined, stay focused, and don't forget to celebrate your progress along the way. If you found these strategies helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Money Booster for more tips and tricks. Let's spread that financial freedom.